Historic moment in Ayodhya, in Ramnagri today, as Prime Minister Modi hoisted this sacred saffron flag atop the Ram Mandir, marking the completion of the temple after centuries of devotion and wait for devotees. If you missed out on the ceremony today, we've got you covered with this report.
शब्द भी सहना होगा। पहली चुनौती ये होगी कि मर्यादा में रहना हो। मर्यादा में रहना कुछ खास नहीं कर जाना है, पत्ता को गले लगाना है और अहंकार जलाना है। अपने राम लला के खातिर इतना ना कर पाओगे, शबरी का जूता खाओगे तो पुरुषोत्तम कहलाओगे। काम क्रोध के भीतर रहकर तुमको शीतल बनना होगा। बुद्ध में जिसकी छांव में थे ऐसा पीपल बनना होगा सब कुछ प्यारे, वो भी शून्य में रहकर प्यारे। तब तुमको पता चलेगा कितने अद्भुत राम हमारे।
हरे ओम
From the crack of dawn, the sacred chants of Jai Shri Ram resonated across Ayodhya as the city prepared for a historic moment, the Dhwajarohan, the hoisting of the flag atop the Ram Mandir. After centuries of devotion, decades of anticipation, and years of meticulous construction, the Ram Mandir now stands complete, a testament to faith, perseverance, and India's cultural legacy. At 10 a.m., Prime Minister Narendra Modi landed in Ramnagri, greeted by throngs of devotees before reaching the heart of the temple complex. The Prime Minister offered prayers at the Sapt Mandir of 7 revered rishis, the Sheshavtar Mandir of Lord Lakshman, the Mata Annapurna Mandir of the deity of food and nourishment, followed by the Ram Darbar of the court of Lord Ram, and finally the Garbhagriha of Ram Lalla. In a moment steeped in devotion, the Prime Minister, along with RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat, performed Aarti and special prayers at the Garbhagriha. And then history unfolded. The sacred saffron Dharm Dhwaj, 10 feet high, 22 feet long, adorned with the radiant sun, Om, and the Kovidar tree, was hoisted atop the Ram Mandir. As the flag soared, Prime Minister Modi got emotional, his joined hands trembling with devotion. The Prime Minister called the sacred flag a symbol of India's cultural revival. He said that the flag embodies faith, valor, and identity.
ये धर्म ध्वजा केवल एक ध्वजा नहीं, ये भारतीय सभ्यता के पुनर्जागरण का ध्वज है। हर राम भक्त के हृदय में अद्वितीय संतोष है, असीम कृतज्ञता है, अपार अलौकिक आनंद है। सदियों के घाव भर रहे हैं।
The saffron flag flutters high above Ayodhya, a beacon of devotion and resilience. Today's centuries of faith find their fulfillment, and not just a city, but entire nation stands united in pride, hope, and renewal. With Gaurav Sawant and Samarth Srivastav in Ayodhya, Bureau Report, India Today.